Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a quick but honest look at the REDTIGER F77 V2 dual 4K dash cam and why it stands out for everyday driving protection. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this dash cam at the best price in the market. The F77 V2 is built for drivers who want clear evidence and peace of mind, offering true 4K recording on both the front and rear cameras using Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, which means sharper license plates, better color accuracy, and noticeably improved low-light performance compared to older dash cams. One of the biggest highlights here is the built-in 256GB eMMC storage, so you do not need to worry about buying or replacing memory cards, and it is far more reliable over long-term use, especially in hot or cold weather. The dual HDR support really helps balance bright headlights and dark roads during night driving, while the 4-inch touchscreen makes daily use simple and intuitive without feeling cluttered. Voice control is genuinely useful, letting you lock important clips or take photos without taking your hands off the wheel, and once you get used to the commands, it feels natural. The faster 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi works smoothly with the REDTIGER app for quick video downloads and sharing, and the built-in GPS adds speed and route data that can be very useful during insurance claims. Parking monitoring and the G sensor add another layer of protection when your car is parked, though you will need the optional hardwire kit to unlock all parking features, which is something to keep in mind. On the downside, the premium features do place it at a higher price point, and first-time setup may take a few minutes if you are new to dual camera systems. Overall, if you want reliable storage, excellent video quality, and modern features that actually improve daily driving security, the REDTIGER F77 V2 is a strong choice, and checking the link in the description below is the easiest way to see current deals and decide if it fits your needs.